Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Canberra, Sydney. I've got this Porsche 911 old gold here, 911 SC, this one here. So we had to done a rewiring job on this car here because nothing was working properly. A lot of wiring wasn't protected properly, so I've done all the wire now. So all I'm going to do now after this is we're going to tape everything up properly on the corner and put some insulation protection wire after this on the side here as well, and then we're going to tape it up as well. And then have a look inside there. We have already put some silicone there already to stop water from getting in. All right, it's very important because this the plug wasn't even the right one, so it's all broken before. So someone probably broke the plug that plugs into here. So the only way to do it is just do it this way and actually put some silicone inside there to actually stop the water from getting in and protect everything in the car. And all my soldering is protected by the actual waterproof soldering insulation here on all the soldering we done as well. So we're going to start off with the brake lights. That's brakes. Brake off, brake on. Yep, left indicator. We're going to check the globe, make sure the globe's alright. Doesn't matter, it's working now. Right indicator. Alright, I'm going to check that, but at least it's working. And parking light. That's a parking light. Brake light. Brake lights on. Brake lights off. On. Off. Parking light off. Parking light on. Reverse. So now I've got reverse lights here now. Alright. That's reverse lights, so everything's working. All right, turn everything off. Parking light off. Okay, let's check the number plate light, make sure it works. Parking light on. That's working. Parking light off. All right, everything's working. The only thing I'm going to do is probably check the globes for the actual on both sides here, because it's flashing very quick. Or maybe I have to check the flasher as well. But the wiring's all done, so everything in the back here is working properly. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.